Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable single click to open files and folders in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You will see three small dots. Click on these three dots. This action will bring up a menu. From the options presented, select the one labeled Options. In the Folder Options window that appears, you will find a section dedicated to General Settings. Within this section, locate the setting that controls how items are opened. You need to change this from the default double-click to single-click. Select the radio button that says Single-click to open an item. After making this selection, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the window. Finally, click on OK to close the Folder Options window. Now, a single click on any folder or file will open it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.